Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how you link the AthleticNET systems to Finish Lynx. Fairly simple, but there is a little bit of work involved. You don't need to be logged into any web browser to do this at this stage, so it's going to minimize that browser. But what you'll see here is Run Meet Locals on my dashboard. You'll need to download that from the AthleticNET system and run it, and all you have to do is log in using your current login details. I've got it up and running, and I've already logged in under my name, and you can see there's an event that I've run previously. I'm going to drop that down, and we're going to choose a Winter Track and Field Series 3. Just click the refresh button there, and then hopefully that will then speed up the session that we want to select. Sometimes it's not that quick coming through, but there you go, it's just come through. And so if you drop down, you may have multiple sessions that are available, or in my case, it's just the one. Now, this part here is the important part. What we need to do is we need to go back into Windows Explorer and find our network link down the bottom of our menu here in Windows Explorer, and we need to map a network drive. I use X as my standard drive. I then click Browse. So I've got an option there, and then wait for the computers that are networked to come through. Or to help speed this up, I'm going to click Cancel. I'm going to drop down, and because I know one of these events here is a previous meet that has a similar name, I'm going to click on it. So it's a 2024 Winter Series 1. I'm going to then remove that and change that to 3. I'm going to go Finish. And of course, it then should bring up the folder that you are wanting to use. Okay, so this is moved into the Event 3 folder. I can close that window down. I can minimize that down. And so here in the Start List folder, what we want to do is we want to click on that. And because now we've got this Winter Series link here as a networked folder, we can select that folder. And you can see it's put in the X drive there for me. Let's do that one there. And so now when we go to use it, we can then click Listen Live, and then any information will transfer from Finish Lynx back to AthleticNET or vice versa. This can also be used for other systems like Meet Manager, or obviously the AthleticNET system is Run Meet or Meet Pro or any other system like that. So we'll just minimize that down. In Finish Lynx, what we need to do, I'm just going to make this a little bit, bring this down the page here. We're going to click on File and Options. And what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have under the Event tab where we want our video files to go. So that's our event directory. So I've set up under my X drive an additional folder called Camera Files. And in my database, I need to make sure that I have X::, because that is the networked drive. Make sure if you're using RunMeet that we put thousands in there. If you're using Meet Manager, you may need to put hundreds in there. If you're doing cross-country or road events, you'll put tenths in there, and it's just a drop-down box. That's how you link Finish Lynx to AthleticNET systems, and then all the results should move through instantly. Hope that's a help, guys. Cheers.